how to add overlays in the videos created with the help of Capcut, and how to add watermark in your videos in Capcut. Let's start the video. Create a new project in your mobile app. Let's select a video. I'm selecting this one. I add it. After adding it, now select overlay from the menu. Here, click on it, add overlay, photos. I want to add the logo of the brand. It is on the video clip. I just minimize it with the help of my two fingers and I add it over here. Now I play where it appears till here. Now I want this to be on this side. Now select overlay again, add, set it on other side of your video like this, play. So in this way you can add the monogram of your company or logo of your company. And now let me show you how to add watermark. For that, I come to the beginning of the video, select the video, go to text. For that, add text, write down the text here that you want as your watermark. Okay, now change its style if you like. Select the text and change the opacity like this. You can make it lighter like this. It can be used as watermark in your design. Press OK. Now play. I want to change. I want to have this watermark in complete video. So in this way you can add watermark and logo in your reels. Don't forget to watch other videos of Capcut. I will share the link of playlist in the description. Watch out the playlist to learn more what can you do with the help of Capcut. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.